May mga makeup na tawag ito, may mga makeup na nagtatagal naman talaga. At saka alam mo, to be honest, hindi ako sumusunod sa ano. As someone who uses makeup ever since I was college, parang hindi pa naman hindi pa naman na nadadali yung mukha ko ng bonggang-bongga sa paggamit ng expired na makeup. Oo, parang totoong buhay lang. Dami kong makeup dito pang matagal. At saka lalo na pag Crayolan, be. Ang Crayolan, aabutin ka talaga ng taon dyan, be. Kaya sobrang napakabonggang investment ng Crayolan. Tsaka yung mga high quality, high end makeup. Kasi it will really take you years before you consume all of it. Let me give you an example. Sige, ito. Ito ang pinaka-perfect example. This is my setting powder, Crayolan. Gano'n na siya katagal sa akin? Magti 3 years na. Tingnan nyo kung gaano kadami pa lang yung nababawas. Medyo electric fan eh. Girl, yan pa lang ang nagagamit. Kasi sobrang bongga nito. As in, konting tak-tak lang, girl, covered yung face mo. Ganun ka bongga. And this is worth the investment. Magti 3 years na to, ha? Let me give you another example of Crayolan. Tinitipid ko siya, syempre, hindi naman porket hindi siya agad-agad naubos, magpapakasasa na tayo, ana. Hindi naman tayo, wag tayong ganon. Ubos biyaya. So, my foundation sticks are from Crayolan. Kaya humihindi ako sa mga pa-makeup content kasi ang foundation ko wala sa Pilipinas. Kapag naubos ito, 'di ba? So kaya tinitipid ko siya kasi wala siya sa Pilipinas, hindi siya hindi siya easily accessible. High-end ba ang Crayolan? Yes, darling. Pero Crayolan with a K, it's K siya. Ayan, so this is Crayolan. These are my TV paint sticks. Ito yung foundation sticks ko. So, ang aking highlight is actually, nagbago na yung routine ko dahil nga pumuti ako. Pumuti ako. My real color is LO. Yan ang pinaka-base ko. My contour is on. Pero right now, and FS45A as my real shade. And then, ang contour ko is NG1 pa rin. Pero, yan ang etong aking base. And, gano'n nakatagal to sa akin? Magti 3 years na rin. Pero ang pinakamatagal dito ay ang contour. More than 3 years. This is the same contour I use, I believe, sa Drag Race. Pero just in case, just in case, syempre, ay, wait lang. Sorry, magpapalit lang ako ng router. Nasa ano ko eh. Wait lang. Give me like, switch lang ako ng router. Ayan, I'm back. Okay. It's not expensive. It's just $28. $28 lang ang TV paint stick. Well, plus tax. So, 33. Ganun, $33. Convert mo yan sa piso. Naglalag pa rin ba ako? Or nagpalit na ako ng router eh? Hindi na, okay. So, yun. Ano siya, tawag dito, yung going back to the original topic, may mga makeup talaga na kahit pang matagalan, at saka mga tawag dito, kahit yung mga makeup guru, sila Michaela, sila Jeffree Star, sila sila Glamzilla, sila Nikki Tutorials, di ba ang dami nilang makeup haul, yung stock nila ng makeup, and they're still using it. Oh. Diba? So minsan wala naman talaga sa ano yan. Wala yan sa tatagito, sa expiration na sinasabi. So yun. Buksan nga natin yung aircon. Kay lakas na. Tara balik ulit tayo sa pag-unpack. Naantok pa ako, sakit ang ulo ko, puta. Hello po. Sama na natin to. What's your lash glue? Polish. For me, the best lash glue is Polish. Okay, wait lang. Kailangan ko na talaga mag-ayos ng dragon. Wala na. Alam niyo yung binili kong shells? 3 yun eh. Nasa karton pa rin siya, 2 buwan na. Kailan next gig ko? Di ko alam, be. Kakatapos lang eh. Oy nga pala, punta naman kayo sa IG ko. Nag-post ako ng hindi ko kasi siya hindi ko siya ma-post ng buo kasi sobrang copyrighted ng Hotel California. Hirap na hirap ako kanina nung pinost ko siya na grabe, ang daming kailangan kong i-edit, kailangan ko i-accept na tag ito, submit, dispute. Grabe naman sa copyright naman man. Gusto ko lang naman i-post yun Salamat, Patricia. Okay, what else? So I put this back in. Ito na lang siya. Andito po ata si Maxima. Andyan ba si Maxi? Andyan si Debot? Hello. Ilang pairs of stockings do you usually use? 2. Minsan 1 lang. Minsan kapag nag-shave ako, trip ko, wala. Oo, kanina pa gaga. Hello, sis. Sis, nag-filter kasi si TikTok. Yung sinend ko, wow. Naano ko yung sinend mo. Hindi lang kita na-replyan kasi nasa rampa ako nung na-open ko yung message. Girl, nasa playlist ko na yan. Ano ka ba? Got you, bitch. Ikaw na ikaw, Day. Paano nga? Tare. Naririnig ko yung boses mo. Init. O sige na. O go. Love you, sis. Pahingi pera. Ay. Darling, nangihingi ng pera? Darling, I don't think that's a good thing. Why are you asking money? This life is low-key healing my depression. Is it? Am I doing anything? I'm not doing anything. But if it's... Bet ko lang, this live will be archived soon. Huh? Hello. Hi, shit. Kaya pala sabi ko amoy solvent eh. Nail polish remover nakabukas. Ano yung wala naman. Shit, nagkaroon ng spot. I'm on meds naman, ma, pero this helps. Very chill, chikahan. Ah, okay. Well, ganito lang naman ang aking live. Ano na? Ay, Mike Arthur, lumayas ka sa live ko. Hindi ka magandang, paalam. Oo. Hindi maganda yung, mo. Feeling cool. That's not cool. That's called obnoxious. Thank you sa follow. Okay, let me just go through the... Don't judge me. Marami talaga siyang laman. It's full of shoes. So... wala na mapaglagyan. Wala na akong mapaglagyan talaga, be, ng mga sapatos. Kaya ako nagbebenta na ng mga sapatos. Kasi yung shoe cabinet ko, ito yung... These are all like full of heels and wala na akong pamaglagyan. So yung mga yon, hiniwalay ko na yon kasi ibebenta ko na. Tapos ito, be, alam mo ba yan? Shelves yan eh. Hanggang ngayon carton pa rin na, be. Hanggang ngayon, sapatos. Dito na nga muna. Okay, maleta. Hirap maging drag queen, daming gamit. Totoo, bebe. Alam mo, pag drag queen ka, lalo na kapag ikaw ay working drag queen, Kung hindi ka nagtatrabaho sa bar at lahat ng gamit mo ay inuuwi mo, hindi sapat ang studio type na bedroom, hindi sapat ang two bed. Well, pwede mo isiksik ang 2 bedroom, pero etong condo ko is a 3 bedroom. And I live alone. And I live alone. That's that. Like, look at my stuff. Isn't it neat? Oh, saan kailan, di ba? Oh, sahig be. Oh, be. Nakita mo yan? Sa likod niya may mga maleta pa, be. Tapos yung walk-in ko, hindi ka makaka-walk. Yung walk-in ko, hindi ka makaka-walk talaga. Hindi siya walk-in. Amarosa 2022. Pakyo ka rin. Makapagpakyo ka. Paalam. Thank you sa follow and thank you sa gift. May kumain ka na ba? Yes! I always, isa sa mga, hindi ko alam ha, pero since galing kayo, karamihan sa inyo ay napanood na yung kay Eva sa podcast, one of the things that I always, one of my healing process, sa healing journey ko is, whenever I experience something, whenever I have wins, maliit man yan or malaki, like, every time I feel like this is a win, I recognize something or accomplish something that I considered as a win, maybe it's a small thing or big thing, I always treat myself. Hindi naman siyang bongga. Ano yung treat ko sa sarili ko? Bonchon. So, kapag may show ako, isa sa mga treat ko sa sarili ko is ang meal ko kinabukasan should be bonchon. Because I love bonchon spicy chicken. Kung hindi bonchon, carrot cake. Ano ulit yung title ng book na hiniram? Night by Elie Wiesel. It's called Night. Kabahuta naman na. Laban. Ito hindi. Saan galing yun? Ba't ganun amoy nun? Baho nun, gago. Bakit ang soft-spoken nyo po? Sakto lang naman ako. I mean, I have my own dynamics when it comes to speaking and talking. So, hindi ko naman kailangan sumigaw kapag di ako sumisigaw. Pero, you will see the dynamics of how I talk. Where should I put this? Salamat! Thank you, good evening. Favorite ko din yung spicy chicken ng Bonchon. Masarap, favorite ko yun. Maraming hindi fan ng Bonchon kasi sabi nila yung balat lang daw yung masarap. Ako hindi, love Bonchon. Favorite ko talaga ang Bonchon. Ilang taon na akong there was a time before na I think it was 2016, 2017 na yung Bonchon sumikat siya kasi sa mga nagtatrabaho sa opisina mas makakamura ka kapag bumili ka ng dalawang 1-piece na Bonchon, 1-piece meal ng Bonchon kaysa sa 2-piece meal ng Jollibee. Yung mga tipid hacks 'Di ba? Kapag bumili ka ng two-piece chicken ng Jollibee, mas mahal pa rin siya kaysa bumili ka ng dalawang one-piece ng Bonchon. So may dalawang rice ka na, may dalawang chicken ka na, meron ka pang dalawang Mountain Dew or pineapple juice or iced tea. Tapos mas mura pa rin siya sa two-piece chicken joy meal. I think it was 2017, 2016. 2016 kasi 2017 nasa over na ako. 2016 sa pelikula pa ako. Kaya ako mga tipid hacks na yon. Yung nagtatrabaho pa ako sa pelikula. 2016. Para makaano tayo. Dito natin siya idikit sa Hello po. Bonchon soy garlic. Spicy ako be. Pero go. Whatever makes your stomach happy. Ikaw naman ang bibili niyan. Parang masyado mata. Yung angulo ko naman dito, para naman akong babanga natin to. Masyado namang eye view yung ano. Ayan, mga ganyan lang na eye view. Masyadong bird's eye view yung angulo ko naman. Para naman ako nasa correctional nito. Para akong may sala. Ayan. Ayan, basta okay na yung ano. Maano shampoo mo, parang ang lambot-lambot lagi ng hair mo. Ang gamit ko currently ay Chubaki. The black one. Mainly because I love the black one kasi it's damage repair. Pero maraming Chubaki in general. I also have the red one. Gumawa ako ng video about it. Check nyo na lang sa sa page ko. Punta ka sa TikTok ko, sa profile ko. Nandun. Shampoo and conditioner. Legit be. Sobrang legit ng Chubaki at saka ng Fino. Lalo na yung Fino. Oh my God! Kaya pala siya trending worldwide. Yung Fino hair mask. It's so good. It's so good. Salamat. Can you remember your first song na pinerform as drag queen? My audition piece sa O-Bar ay Land of Lola from the Kinky Boots musical. And then my very first pyesa sa O-Bar ay I'm Here from The Color Purple. Do you still do drag? Trip ko lang to. Ben? Follow mo na lang ako, Ben. Ganun na lang. Oo, follow mo na lang ako para magka-idea ka naman kung nagdadrag pa ba ako. Lalo na sa IG, be. Maganda-ganda yung kakapost ko pa lang. Doon magkakaroon ka kagad ng idea doon. Ay, nagdadrag pa nga siya. Why do I feel like Lenny Robredo is talking? Hoy, I take that, pero bakit? Siyempre, gusto natin yun, pero bakit? ang hinhin mo mag-talk, Mima? Kasi ganito, maayos naman ako magsalita. May ganito, how do I even articulate what I'm trying to say? Ganito ko magsalita talaga, be. Oo, may dynamics lang na ganun, pero hindi ako rat-rat. Hindi ako rat-rat, be. Bakit? So, ayun. At saka, be, kasi, ko tawag dito, hindi pa ako masyadong nagiging tao. Oo. Masakit kasi ulo ko the whole day. Sobrang sakit ng ulo ko the whole day. So, I just rested. Pagkagising ko, nagkape na ako. Sabi ng katawan ko, bakla matulog ka. 33 ka na. Hindi maganda yung ginawa mo kagabi sa show. Mayabang ka dun. so natulog ako ng tulog ako oras ako nagising, like, yeah, I was just listening to a podcast habang nakatulog ako. Yon. What else? Yeah, tas late na ako nag-dinner, so during the RPH season 4. Pagbigyan naman natin yung mga bagong local drag queens. Ikaw naman, nanakawan ko pa ng pagkakaitan ko pa ng slot or spot yung isang local drag queens na makilala nyo. Ibigay na natin sa mga yun, B. Season 4 talaga. Gusto mo bumalik ako sa regular season. Parang, diba? Ibigay mo na yun sa isang local drag queen na dapat nyong makilala at mahalin. Bakit pa ako babalik? Tsaka may pera ka ba? Kung makadikta ka naman ng season 4, bibigyan mo ba ako ng pera? Ikaw ba sasagot ng package ko? May eloquent queen. Thank you. Ano pang gagawin natin? May gagawin pa tayo eh. What do I need to do? Dito dapat to. Hi man, di ka nagtatahi ngayon. Nak, pahinga muna tayo sa tahi. Ikaw rin ba nagawa ng wigs? Minsan, pero minsan hindi. Sobrang pretty mo in and out of drag. Hope I can see you live soon. Thank you. Hindi ko pa alam kung kailan ako mag-show. Wala pa ulit akong next show. So, tinan natin. Kasi ang inquiries ko ay maging speaker pa eh. Puro mga private gigs yung mga inquiries ko eh. So, yeah. Actually, may nag-inquire sa akin to speak about body positivity and tawag dito, self-compassion. Pero hindi pa nila ako binalikan eh. Sabi ko nga, game ako dyan eh. Sa mga speaker engagements na yan. Especially with the said topic that they wanted me to talk about. Girl, kahit random, kahit hindi ako gumawa ng outline, kahit hindi ako gumawa ng module or ng script about it, tapos 30 minutes speaking engagement lang daw yun. Sa loob-loob ko, parang malabo ata yung 30 minutes. Sa daldal kong to, and with the topic, aabot yan ng mga 1.5 oras. Can you sing your verse again? No, darling, I'm not gonna sing it. Thank you sa follow. How are you? I'm good. Thank you sa follow. Mga be, kung okay lang naman, kung hindi lang kalabisan, kung hindi nyo pa ako na-follow dito, follow nyo ako here. And also, follow nyo rin ako sa IG. Tapos kung medyo nakaka-LL ka naman tonight, baka gusto mo namang magbagsak ng gift, be. Diba? Kung di medyo nakaka-LL ka dyan, diba? Kung may pangbagsak ka naman, kahit isang rosas lang yan sa ngalan ni Mama Lenny. Appreciate natin yan, di. Can't wait to see you again on my screen. I am on your screen right now. Hello. Okay, what do I need to do? Everything is set. Okay. May kailangan pa ba ako ayusin sa alam? Okay, magwawalis na. Yeah. Wait lang. Alam mo, maganda tong phone stand na nabili ko, yung dumidikit sa salamin tsaka sa kung saang bakal. Ang mahirap lang yung tanggalin. Parang madadama yung cellphone ko. Parang nakakatakot siya binatanggal. Alam mo, maganda to eh. Carry siya. Nakakatakot lang talaga siya, be. Sobrang ang hirap niyang anuhin. Ang power niya sa dikit. In fairness sa pagka-magnet niya, be. Diba? Sorry, di pa naman ako late. Now pa lang ako nanonood ng DRPH Season 1, Episode 7 na ako. Enjoy, darling. Enjoy the show. Okay, let's go back. At patayin na natin ang aircon because in this economy, kailangan magtipid. Yay! Nakapag-unpack na ako. Wait lang mga dear ha, let me pause again the live. I'm just gonna switch round. There you go, I'm back. Thank you sa follow. Thank you. And thank you sa Rose. Sana maging tao na ako. Gusto ko yung maging tao. Kasi pag sumipa, alam mo yung pag sumipa yung energy ko, 11:30 na be. Pag sumipa yung energy ko, anong oras na ako nito magigising na, makakatulog na naman. Kasi kanina, nakatulog na ako kasi so sa mga tawag dito, ano ba? So sa mga may alam sa buhay ng drag queen or kahit naman sino, 'di ba? For example, ikaw pumarty ka, 'di ba? Happy ka, enjoy ka, 'di ba? Nakauwi ka na ng bahay nyo, 'di ba? Madaling araw, umaga, makakatulog ka ba kagad? 'Di ba hindi naman normally kasi yung adrenaline mo, 'di ba? Kailangan pa muna magpababa ng adrenaline. So, kung ikaw na normal na nagpumarty-party, paano pa kaya yung mga performer na grabe yung adrenaline nila? So, pag uwi ko, nakauwi na ako, anong oras na ako nakauwi? Parang, I don't know, like 4, I believe. So, syempre, ilang taon na akong nagpe-performa na alam ko na kilala ko na yung katawan ko. So, dahil alam kong magpapababa pa ako ng adrenaline, nagpahinga muna ako at nag-edit ako ng mga ipopost ko. So, yun. Nagising na, tinamaan na ako ng antok. Past 6, almost 7 a.m. Naririnig ko na yung mga kasambahay na narinig ko na yung mga kasambahay ng mga kapitbahay ko sa kabilang building at saka yung mga aso na nilalakad sa umaga. Naririnig ko na sila, be. Hindi pa ako tulog. Wow. After DRPH, how's your life in a year? You know what, LY? A lot of people have been asking me, Turing, what's next for you? As a lactating mom, I always try to find the best way para sigurado ako na maganda talaga ang health ng aking mga kids. Kaya naman I take Nido Fortified. Sorry. 11:33. Sinong politician kaya may snatch game? I don't know. I haven't entertained the politics world. Makakrush ka daw ni Echo. Sino si Echo, be? Sino closest drag queens ko? Maxi, Angel, Precious, mga O-Bar. Ayun. Nasagot ko na yan kanina lang, Bea. Nanonood ka nun, nung sinagot ko yung tanong na yan, I hope you're getting enough rest. You need We Love You Go. Bakalang-bakala naman yung We Love You Go. I am getting the rest that I need. I'm very thankful that I have the opportunity and the luxury of, to give myself the time, because not everyone can have that. Hindi ko alam kung nasabi ko yun sa podcast. Alam ko nasabi ko yun. I just don't know if it's nasama sa edit. Pero I'm very, very thankful that, because of Drag Race, I get to save up enough money to give myself the luxury of time to rest, because not everyone can afford that. Marami sa atin na gusto himang magpahinga pero hindi kaya kasi may pamilyang binubuhay, may trabahong kailangan sila. So, I'm very, very thankful that my lifestyle, my work, my career, and, I have enough savings to give myself the luxury of, rest. Kasi nung nasa Obar ako, nung hindi pa ako Ru girl, ilang beses ko na-experience ang burnout, pero hindi ko afford magpahinga kasi kailangan magtrabaho. So, I know the feeling of being so down, na burnt out ka na pero wala kang magagawa kasi kailangan mong pumasok sa trabaho. And then you have to keep on smiling and performing in front of people. And then after you perform, you have to go down and suck another hour or two mingling with the customers and, asking for tips. And then pagdating mo ng backstage, doon pa lang, habang nagbubura kayo ng makeup, doon pa lang unti-unting gumagano yung katawan mo na. Kaya alam niyo yung mga bakla after the show, pansinin mo yung mga itsura nila, talagang nag-set na talaga bumagsak na yung energy nila. Kasi they don't have to put an act anymore. Kasi kailangan na nilang magpakatao ulit. So, yun. Especially mga bar goer, mga bar performers. Thank you sa follow. Sino po kaya niyong snatch game na ko drag queen? I don't think I'm gonna copy a drag queen for snatch game. I think it's better for a celebrity. Wow, that's nice to know. Yes, not all people are capable to rest as much as they want to. Yes. Also, di ba? Savings. Though I'm not saying I'm that rich, pero paano ba? Hindi man ako ganun kayaman, mga be. Paano? Siguro I'm comfortable enough. Yun na lang masasabi ko. I'm comfortable enough to give myself the time to rest and not think about money much. Yan. Yun na lang sabihin ko. Oo. Hindi naman tayo. At saka ano kasi ako, mga be. May lahing inchik kasi ako. Kaya ganun tayo sa pera. Kaya I can stretch my budget very, very long. I can stretch my money very, very long. So that's that. Pag may work na ako, I'll watch you perform talaga. Hindi pa kaya rin ang budget. Go lang, darling. Hindi tayo sure kung pag may trabaho ka na, drag queen pa ako noon, ha? Pero, sa ngayon, go lang. Thank you sa follow. Wait lang, let's look for some music. Kailangan chill night lang tayo, mga be. Kasi Sunday night, kailangan papasok tayo yung mga papasok ng Lunes dyan. Kailangan maganda ang So dapat chill night lang tayo, ha? Hanap tayo ng mga chill night. Jazz lang naman ako eh. Hanap tayo ng magandang jazz. Magandang jazz. Hong Kong, ito. Ooh. Kaya siya film of music kasi very wait lang, hanap tayo. Parang kay Rito. Yan, mga ganyan lang. Alright. Ayan. Thank you sa follow. Umuulan? Hindi. Electric fan lang naririnig mo. Hi Hi, Gamba. Ka-eme ka po ba? Habe? Anong ka-eme, be? Ano yun? Ayun, wait lang. Hinahanap ko to eh. Kamukha mo si Bibing Gandang Hari. I'll take that. Walang kwentang podcast, mga ka-eme tawag. Hindi ko Thank you sa follow. You look so good. Salamat. Paano kita i-address, be? Paano kita i-address kung ganyan ang username mo, di ba? Paano ba yan? Paw prints? Ay, Diyos ko, ang sarap ng Hong Thai talaga. Alright. Alright, oras natin ngayon, 11:44 ng gabi. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng Hong Thai. Pag 30 ka na, may Hong Thai ka na. Hong Thai, inhaler ng mga trentahin. Hoy, sobrang favorite ko to, no? Masarap, sobrang bonggang Hong Thai, kung alam niyo lang. Nakapag-host ka na ba ever ng event, Ate Tours? Be, nag-host ako. I know how to host. Host tuloy. I know how to host. I host. Ang mga hino-host ko, mga private companies, BDO, SGV. Corporate ang hino-host kong events. I love Hong Thai. This is really good. Tsaka betting na mo naman, alam mong nagdaan na siya sa... alam mong nagtagal na siya sa akin. At saka you know what? What I love about Hong Thai is, since hindi siya balm, this is herbs. Since herbs siya, kapag yung feeling mo nawawala na siya ng amoy, you just have to shake it. You just really have to shake it. And then babalik na ulit yung kumalat yung herbs, di ba? Babalik na ulit yung amoy niya. Kasi hindi siya balm eh. So, hindi siya natutuyuan. It's herbs. Hong Thai. Inhaler ng mga trentahin. Sarap. Sobrang na-enjoy ko to. Tsaka siya, legit siya, pampatanggal siya ng sakit ng ulo. Kasi yung white flower, parang... Dati nga yung lola ko, yung kinalakihan ko ng bata ako ha, hindi ko alam ko nag-exist pa pala siya, yes. Pero kasi for some time, nawala kasi siya. You know what, Tiger Balm? Alam niyo yung Tiger Balm, guys? Doon ako lumaki talaga sa Tiger Balm. Kasi yung lola ko, Tiger Balm siya. Ano nga yun eh, I remember when I was a kid, alam namin na nagpaparamdam yung lola ko kapag amoy Tiger Balm yung bahay namin. Kasi siya sa bahay namin, siya lang yung gumagamit ng Tiger Balm. Kaya alam namin na kapag andyan si nanay, ganun. Kasi nangangamoy Tiger Balm yung tahanan namin dati. Genuine question, do you still have body dysmorphia? I'm very, very thankful that it's been hindi ko kasi binibilang kasi it's something you should not be it's something you should not count. Pero it's been a long, long while since I had a body dysmorphia attack. So it's been feeling ko pa isang taon na ata ako hindi nagkakaroon ng attack ng body dysmorphia. So I'm very thankful for that. Hindi natin siya binibilang kasi hindi dapat binibilang yun. It's not something we should be well, it's something to be celebrated pero not, hindi na para tandaan pa. Thank you sa gift. Thank you sa follow. And thank you, Donnie. Hello, Thayers! O, diba? Sabi ko sa'yo, Thayers, matatandaan kita. At feeling ko, marami rin akong viewers dito na natatandaan ka nung pumasok ka. So, meron ba ako dyang regular viewers? Or may viewer ba ako na natatandaan si Thayers? Hindi mo na ako natatandaan ma. Hindi, bebe. We will. Hindi, be. Si Thayers natandaan ko, be. Kasi sobrang unique ng pangalan niya. At saka yung Thayers kasi, be, naging ako, old reporter mo ako ng news. Darling, I can't recall. I'm sorry. Pagpatawad mo. Yung Hague. Habang nananahi ako. Tama? Ikaw yung nagbibigay ng news habang well, hindi kita specifically natatandaan, pero I remember the scene na may nagbibigay sa akin ng news habang naka-livestream ako at nananahi ako. So, yun. May semi-photographic memory kasi ako, so tatandaan ko sa makina ako, may nag-live ako, and then pinapanood ako sa TV. So, yan. Salamat! Thank you sa follow. Parang napasobra ata yung ko kasi parang tutumba na ako sa antok. Sobrang kalma naman natin dito sa sobrang kalma ko sa Hongtay. Parang patulog na yung susunod natin. Pa-Japanese songs lang ako mga beha. I hope you don't mind. Kasi sa mga bagong viewers ko, I love Japanese songs. So, I love listening to Japanese songs. So, pa-Japanese song lang ako. Ang mga playlist ko hindi jazz music, boiler rooms, mga DJ sets, or thank you sa follow. Click tayo ng gamit. Have you listened to Mariah Carey's new album? I'm I mean, I love her songs, but not totally a fan. So, sorry. Kumbaga, I love her songs, but not a lamb. If that makes sense. Kanino ka Fanema? Well, I'm an Alphas. Sa mundo ng K-pop, ako ay Alphas. I'm XG stan. Medyo ano ako be, sino ba? Random kasi ako eh. Oo. Wag mong pagtawanan pero I love Ray Valera. I'm a Ray Valera fan. Okay. May restriction ako na-receive. Ano to? Sabi na, live visibility appeal. Your live is not eligible for recommendation and is restricted in search results because it redirects users to purchase products outside TikTok. Wait, may na-mention ba ako? I don't know. Appeal. Sabi ko sa inyo, B, o itong ano eh. O itong TikTok live eh. 'Di ba? Kasi wala silang wala silang tao na moderator who can validate the disputes and the reports. Ano siya tawag dito? Puro siya AI powered. Parang nagpapak, baka yung packaging. Kung ano man yun, de. Maging sino ka man. Sherry Valera. Excuse me. Hoping to create a piece for you very soon. What kind of piece, John Aliliran? Did I say your name right? Aliliran. Anong klaseng piece, John? Ano ito? Is this a fashion designer? Why not? I'm happy to accept whatever gift you can. If you want to send me, if you want to dress me, send me a creation, why not? Mag-ano tayo ulit? Mag-chill playlist ulit tayo. Teka lang, alisin, huwag muna tayo Japanese funk. Ano tayo? Yung mga ulit, yung mga movies. Oo, yung mga ito, mga tugtugan na pinapatugtog mo kapag ikaw ay nasa road trip. Yon, mga road trip songs tayo ulit. Maganda-ganda yung mga road trip songs natin last time eh. Yung mga mga dikit pisngi. Oo, yung mga tugtugan na dikit pisngi sa bintana ng sasakyan habang bumabiyahe ka sa SLEX o di kaya sa Skyway. Anong music tayo? Ganap tayo. Let's look for some. Wait lang mga be. Ma-take up Dharma down. Oo, be. Teka lang. Pwede yun. Pwede tayo UDD. May inaano ko sa utak ko eh. May nire-recall. Kirby songs. Love by You. I love this one. I love this song.
Somebody without someone, there's no one at all. Baby, all these nights I struggle and fall.
Kanina, wait lang, pause. Kailangan ko tahimikan. May inaalala ko yung kanta na narinig ko sa Grab kaganina pa uwi eh. Fuck. There are times. Forevermore. Tama ba? I love you be forevermore. Forevermore. Sige, after itong Love by You.
Couldn't see past my love. Time that happened easy to get to.
Ganda na song na to. The closest I get might be right next to you. So I gotta know. I gotta feel how it feels to be loved by you. Isipin mo, no? Nagdadrive kayo. Magjowa lang to na moment ah. Isipin nyo. Sena. Ang camera nasa harapan. Tapos nag-drive yung guy. Tapos yung girl, nakatitig lang siya sa kawalan. Face front, cheeks on the window. Tapos tumutugtog lang yan. And then the song take her to the scene while they're having dinner. Tapos parang naglalaro lang, yung mga nagpe-play lang in different scenarios, they're just talking and smiling. Tapos pinapakita yung reaction ni girl sa ginagawa ni guy. Tapos parang, alam mo yung parang nare-realize ni girl na, alam mo yung parang naglalaro na parang ito ata yung pakakasalang kong tao. Ang ganun, be. Tapos si Guy, kasi ang pinapakita sa parang ang montage is si Guy, very golden retriever. It's giving golden retriever. Tapos parang tatawanan lang sila, ganyan-ganyan. Tapos, napansin ni Guy na nakangiti si girl. Tapos biglang hinawakan na lang niya sa sasakyan si girl. Tapos pagtingin ni girl, nakasmile lang si Guy. Tapos, nagkakatinginan lang sila. Tumutugtog yung song. Nag-slow mong mundo. I might not get another chance, might slip out. Feel to be loved. Tapos nabunggo sila. Ganda. Siyempre baka matagal kayo nagkatitigan. Sinong titingin sa kalsada, di nabunggo kayo pareho. Forevermore. Alam mo, itong kanta na to, sobrang ganda-ganda nito. Isa sa mga gandang... Bakit naman pinatay ma? Bading reality check. Maganda yung love story na pinapakita ko sa yung image, pero reality, nagda-drive ka, magkahawak kayong kamay, tapos nagtitigang kayo ng matagal. Sige nga. Diba? Tumigil ang mundo. Hindi, tumigil ang mundo dahil nabunggo kayo dahil. Yun yung be. Sinister ang puta. Alright, 12:03. Oras, hatid sa inyo ng Hong Tai.
There are times when I just want to look at your face, with the stars in the night. There are times when I just want to feel your embrace, and cold.
May request kayong songs? Fast Car, Luke Combs. Mas maganda yung original na Fast Car, be. Huwag naman kay Luke Combs.
You were just a dream that I once knew.
Sige, yanin natin yan.
Would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world.
Ina-next natin yan.
I need
Wish 107.5.
those years I long to hold you in my arms. I've been dreaming of you.
Nothing by Bruno Mars. Ay, Bruno Major? Bruno Mars tuloy. Bruno Major. Sige, i-line up ko yan, Steve. Nothing.
I just can't believe you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you. I just can't compare you with anything in this world. You're all I need to be with forevermore.
Wait lang mga bea. Pause ko lang. Nauutot ako. I-mute ko lang. Nautot ako. I-mute ko lang saglit kasi nautot ako.
I just can't believe you were mine now. You were just a dream that I once knew. Never thought I would be right for you.
need to be here with forevermore. Thank you sa follow. You're all I need to be here with forever. Wish 1075. All right. Ayan. All right. That is Forevermore from side A. Basag kasi yung chan ko, bigla ako nautot. Fast car at saka kay ano. Na, parang, teka lang ha, na-intriga ako dun sa Nothing eh. Bruno Major. Nothing by Bruno Major. Do I know this? Have I heard this? Let me just...
Tracksuits and red wine, movies for two. We'll take off our phones,
Ay, ito, be.
we'll turn off our shoes. We'll play Nintendo, though I always lose. 'Cause you watch the TV while I'm watching you. There's not many people I'd honestly say I don't mind losing to. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you. Dumb conversation, we lose track of time. Have I told you lately, I'm grateful you're mine. We'll watch The Notebook for the 17th time. I'll say it's stupid, then you'll catch me crying. We're not making out on a boat in the rain, or in a house I painted blue. But there's nothing like doing nothing with you.
Okay.
So shut all the windows, lock all the doors. We're not looking for no, don't need nothing more. You'll bite my lip and I want you more, until we end up in the heat on the floor.
Ooh. Okay.
You could be dancing on tabletops, wearing high heels, drinking until the world spins like a wheel. But tonight your apartment has so much appeal. Who needs stars? We've got a roof. And there's nothing like doing nothing with you. No, there's nothing like doing nothing with you.
Yeah, it's good. Kaya lang hindi ako completely makarelate. Kasi pang mag-asawa siya. Pang mag-asawa siya. Pang pamilya, ano tag ito, yeah, parang ito yung kanta ng mag-asawa in their, probably like, I don't know, like, in their 30s, 40s. Kasi it talks about like, well, dolce far niente. Yung, what you got, how to explain this? Dolce far niente is this, the bliss of not doing anything. So, yun ang term nila sa Italy, dolce far niente. The bliss of not doing anything. So, yun. Kaya lang kasi, pang mag-asawa. So, ang hilig-hilig pa naman sa Dolce Farniente. Sarap kayang tumunganga. Sarap kayang tumunganga, tapos kausap mo yung sarili mo. Fast Car, Tracy Chapman. Bungol. Fast Car, Tracy Chapman nga ni. Diba? Kailangan may ngani eh. Para lumabas yung... I love this song. I love this song. Itong kanta na to, para to sa mga tao nalaban sila sa life.
I wanna take her to anywhere. Maybe we make a deal. Maybe together
Wait
we
lang.
can get somewhere.
Okay, let me just give you a parang a perspective sa Fast Car. Ang Fast Car, ang marirealize mo sa Fast Car is the singer is the type of person who will do what it takes just to reach a certain level of happiness, especially with someone that, well, in case kay Tracy Chapman, hindi siya trans man eh, alam ko lesbian lang siya. So in her case, tawag dito, with her loved one. So yon. Kumbaga ito yung si Tracy, yung Fast Car is yung singer doon. Ay kumbaga yung kwento nung kumakanta ng Fast Car. I don't mind going anywhere as long as it's with you. Kahit wala tayong pera, kahit wala tayong makain. Ganun yung mood niya. So, kung ikaw, makaka-relate ka dito.
Places better. Starting from zero, got nothing to lose. Maybe we'll make something. Me, myself, I got nothing to prove. You got a fast car. I got a plan to get us out of here. Been working at a convenience store. Managed to save just a little bit of money. Won't have to drive too far. Just cross the border and into the city. You and I can both get jobs. Finally see what it means to be living.
Hello, Sai. My old man's got a problem. Lives with a bottle that's weighted. His body's too old for working. His body's too young to look like this. When Mama went off and left him, she wanted him to life that he could give. Said Mama's gotta take care of him. So I quit school and that's what I did. Hi, Rain. You got a fast car. Is it fast enough so we can fly away? We gotta make a decision. Live tonight or live and die this way. So I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights fade out before us, and your arm felt nice wrapped around my shoulder. And I had a feeling that I belonged, and I had a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone. Close up. Ito gina.
We go cruise and entertain ourselves. Still ain't got a job. Now work in the market as a checkout girl. I know things you'll find working out.
Tumunta kasi sa sa utak ko, ginamit kasi ito sa close-up na commercial, be. We were drunk, driving in your car. Speed so fast, felt like I was drunk. City lights lay out before us, and your arm felt nice from around my shoulder. And I got a feeling that I belonged, and I I'm feeling now I could be someone, I'll be someone. Tama naman, di ba? Ginamit kasi ito sa close-up na commercial, be. At the job is all the best.
Maybe together, you and me fine. If got no plans, I ain't going nowhere. Take a fast car and keep on driving.
Grabe, no? Ako dito, sure ako. Hindi ko,
I remember when we were driving in your car. Speed so fast, I felt like
sure ako dito na I'm not the type of person who can be this person.
Got a feeling that I belong. Got a feeling I could be someone, be someone, be someone.
Mamaya, after this song, meron ako sa inyong paparealize.
You got a fast car.
Is it fast enough so you can fly away? You gotta make a decision. Leave tonight and die this way. Alright. Ayan. Charing. So, di ba, maraming songs na everyone can relate to. And there are some songs that you understand. Pero, marirealize mo na, hala, hindi ako to. Gets niyo ba yon? So, maraming kanta, like for example, itong Fast Car. In as much as I love this song so much, I know for a fact that I am not the person who can totally relate to Fast Car. Kasi, naintindihan ko yung kanta, naintindihan ko yung lyrics, nagigets ko yung story ni Tracy Chapman, at alam ko, kilala ko sarili ko, at alam kong hindi ko siya magiging theme song ng buhay, ika nga. Kasi I'm not the type of person who can do that. So, yon. So, parang what I was trying to say earlier na gusto kong itanong sa'yo as a viewer, anong song na narinig mo na alam mong ikaw yon? Alam mo yon? Meron ka bang song na totally relate ka? Hindi yung parts lang ha, like totally yung mismong story yung kwento mismo ng kanta. Ikaw na ikaw. Meron ka bang kantang ganon? Marami akong ganong song. Recently, ano bang kanta? I have two songs in my mind eh. Tama ba? This City? This City? This City. Sam Fisher, tama nga. This City. Like, iba yung wait lang. So for example, itong This City, super relate ako dito, pero at the same time, hindi 100% ng lyrics. Kasi syempre, it's very American. So, kumbaga, kung ilalagay ko sarili ko sa Pilipinas, relate ako dito. Bangga. Ang alin, be? Ang hello.
I've been seeing lonely people in crowded rooms, covering the old heartbreaks with new tattoos. It's all about smoke screens and cigarettes, looking through low lights at silhouettes. But all I see is lonely people in crowded rooms. The city's gonna break my heart. The city's gonna love me and leave me alone. The city's got me chasing stars.
It's been a couple months since I felt like I was home. Am I getting closer to knowing where I belong? This city's gonna break my heart.
She's always gonna break your heart.
Ba't may babae?
Mondays were
Sino to? Sino ka? Ba't may babae? Lalaki lang, Sam Fisher lang. Yon. For me, The City by Sam Fisher yung isa. And then the other song is... My God, wala sa isip ko. Nasa Spotify ko yun eh. Oh my God, nawala sa isip ko. Punta tayo sa Spotify. Hello. Let's go to Spotify. Tulog na ata si Mother. Good night. Good night, Rain. 12:22. Sige, 12:30 mag-end ako. Landslide, Fleetwood Mac. Landslide, Fleetwood Mac. Ayun na, magkasunod sila. Landslide tsaka This City. These two songs ay sobrang super duper relate ako. Di ko alam kung ilang ml lang luhang nailabas ko dito sa kantang to. Lalo na yung Landslide, Diyos ko, last year. Oh my God. Landslide, Fleetwood Mac.
to my love, took it down.
Climb a mountain and I turned around. Then I saw my reflection in the snow-covered hills till the landslide brought me down. Oh, mirror in the sky, what is love?
Can't child within my heart rise above? Can I sail through the change?
Grabe, parang sakit pa rin ulo ko.
Can I handle the seasons of my Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. But time makes you bolder, even children get older, and I'm getting older too.
Super relate ako hanggang ngayon. Do you know this song? Alam niyo ba itong song na to, mga be?
Well, I've been afraid of changing, 'cause I've built my life around you. Though time makes you older, and children get older,
Nice din dreams nila.
getting older too.
Oh, I'm getting older too. Oh, take my love, take it down. Oh, climb a mountain and turn around. And if you see my reflection in snow-covered hills, will the landslide bring it down? And if you see my reflection in the snow-covered hills, will the landslide bring it down? Oh, landslide bring it down. Hi. Hanggang ngayon nakaka-relate pa rin ako sa kantang to. Mga chika ko lang, no, be? Kayo ba ay fan ng mga ano? So, let me just say, it's very random, pero, well, I'm a Gemini. So, sa YouTube kasi, ang daming mga, tawag dito, maraming mga recap. Alam niyo yung recap na channels? Maraming channels sa YouTube na they do recap. Kumbaga, sinasummarize na nila yung Korean series, yung movie para sa'yo. Alam mo ba, for the past week, ang dami kong series at saka movies na okay, hindi ko na kailangan panoorin kasi napanood ko na yung recap. Nakwento na, alam mo yun. Mahaba naman yung recap, like it's an hour and a half to 2 hours long. Pero, nasummarize siya na yung buong series for me. So, wala lang. Chika ko lang. Kasi ang daming magagandang Korean tsaka Japanese series, pati Japanese movies. Pero nakakatamad kasi panoorin. So, maganda yung mga ganito na may recap na lang. So, alam ko na yung buong story. Pinanood ko yung Alice in Borderland Season 3. Hindi ko alam. Hindi ako nakuha agad. Hindi siya katulad nung 1 and 2 na nakaabang ako. Itong 3 parang ko. Hindi ko siya bet. Natapos ko lang yung naglaro sila ng Fate, yung parang fortune sa temple. After nun, yung next game, hindi ko na ewan ko, hindi ako napukaw agad. For some reason, I don't know. It could be me. Or marami rin tayo dyan. What time is it? 12:30 na. Mga be, 12:30 na. Ang TV na. Tsari. 12:30 na mga be. I'll have to end my life for now. It's already Monday anyway. So, yun. Mga be, mag-end na muna ako ng live ha. Thank you, 73 viewers. Yeah. I wish you guys will have an amazing day today and an amazing week ahead. So, yeah. That's it for me for tonight. See you next live stream. Good night for now. Nagmamahal 4.6. Bye-bye. Good night.